What's up guys? This is Derek House with the Protein Chef. If you're looking for a high fiber, high protein, and low sugar cookie, you've come to the right place. This healthy microwave chocolate chip cookie is absolutely delicious, only takes around 60 seconds, and you don't need protein powder to make it. So let's jump right into it. First, take out a bowl, then add in 2 large egg whites, 3 tablespoons or 27 grams of coconut flour, 1 teaspoon or 4 grams of light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a tablespoon or 7.5 grams of semi-sweet chocolate chips, but only add in around half of those, a pinch of salt, and 1 ounce or 30 grams of plain fat-free Greek yogurt. Mix all of those ingredients together. Once your mix is nice and thick, put it on a dish and shape it into a cookie. Last, add the rest of your chocolate chips on top and press them in. Now into the microwave for 35 seconds. After 35 seconds, wait 5 seconds and microwave it for another 20 seconds. The reason we're doing this is so we don't burn the cookie. After 20 seconds, wait another 5 seconds and microwave it for another 10 seconds. Take it out and let it cool. And there is your healthy microwave chocolate chip cookie. As far as the calories go in the whole cookie, there's 242, 6 grams of fat, 26 grams of carbs, 12 grams of fiber, and 21 grams of protein. 2 substitutes, oat flour instead of coconut flour, and to add some more fats to the recipe, 1 large whole egg instead of 2 large egg whites. 3 tips. 1, depending on how powerful your microwave is, it might take less or more time. Just keep an eye on it. If your cookie doesn't look done yet, keep microwaving it in 10-second intervals until it is. 2, you can use any flavor Greek yogurt you want, so get creative with it. And 3, if you want smaller cookies, you can make 5 or 6 at a time. If you want more than that, double or even triple the recipe. Before I finish this cookie, I have one other thing to say. If you ever want to find out any information about the products I use or where to purchase them, you can find them at proteinchef.co/products by clicking there or the link in the description below. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you want some more quick cookie recipes, smash that thumbs up button, everything in moderation, and of course, stay healthy.